Jeff Bezos not willing to splash $6 billion for controlling stake of NBA champions. Boston Celtics Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos has reportedly cooled down his interest in purchasing a controlling stake in the NBA champions Boston Celtics. Earlier, American sports writer Bill Simmons, in his podcast, had claimed that the Amazon mogul would be interested in acquiring a majority stake in the Celtics. However, as per the latest developments, that is not the case. Nick Wingfield of The Information has revealed that Bezos has no interest in buying stakes in the Boston-based NBA side. That being said, owners of the Boston Celtics are still looking for offers from elsewhere, having already confirmed their desire to sell the franchise. They have other plans for estate and family planning considerations, meaning the defending champions of the NBA will see a change in ownership very soon. Earlier, Simmons had claimed that Jeff Bezos could be one of the front-runners to take over in Boston, and the NBA are likely to want the franchise to sell for a price upwards of $6 billion. The league are hoping to add 2 or 3 expansion franchises, and they will be hoping to get near around the same figure from any interested parties willing to own a team in the NBA. The league wants $6 billion for the team, for the Celtics. They don't own their arena. It's a crazy price, but they're probably going to get it. They want the $6 billion because they want expansion teams in Seattle and Vegas, and Mexico City is kind of looming as a third team, but they want to get $6 billion apiece for 2 franchises for expansion, which would mean a check of $400 million to every NBA owner, all 30. So they're trying to establish a price for this Celtics team, Simmons stated in his podcast. For the unversed, Boston defeated the Dallas Mavericks to reign supreme in the NBA Finals, riding high on the performances of their dynamic duo Jason Tatum and Jaylen Brown.